הכי זקוקים להן.
Darling, you dress it like you're a man.
It's a small insult.
No, it's a big insult.
להזמין אותם לסטודיו, שם יש לטריני וסוזנה 5 שעות בלבד.
יאללה, יאללה.
להלביש, לאפר, לספר, וגם לגעת. במקומות שכולנו מנסים להסתיר.
What do you see when you look at that girl? I'm fat.
בסוף הערב ייחשפו המשתתפים למראה החדש שלהם, ויגלו ששינוי אמיתי יכול להתחיל גם מבחוץ. והערב, ענת מזמינה את טריני וסוזנה לחיפה.
שלום לכם, סוזנה וטריני. אני לחוצה. אוקיי, אני מאוד מתרגשת. זה בשבילי כמו צניחה חופשית לעשות. תשמע נורא מוזר, זה רק בגדים, אבל זה חיים. אני בת 40, נמאס לי שתופסים אותי בתור ילדה. לא, אני רוצה שיגידו את אישה, ואישה סקסית. קצת התייאשתי מעצמי. לכן אני פונה עליכם.
Your body is so easy to dress, okay? Wow. It's really easy to dress, but you dress it like... No, darling, you dress it like you're a man. Not a boy, because a boy might be a bit more fashionable or individual. You dress like you're a man.
A small insult?
It's a big insult. I want it to be a big insult because I want to shock you into change.
What are these? What are they?
This is Shamar.
How many pairs of these trousers does he have in his wardrobe?
At least 5.
What? I'm not even going to talk to you, Rafat. Okay, we're going to make a little plan, you and I, okay? I'm going to take your husband off, and I'm going to put him in some clothes that he'll hopefully become as attached to as he does to this sort of baby's romper suit.
What's an everyday situation in which you are judged?
It's man, like, oh, you're great, you're beautiful, oh, you're Muslim, you're Arab, so... Sorry.
So when you meet a Muslim man...
It's also a problem for me.
Why is it a problem?
You are like this and you're too modern. ערבים, זה קשה איתם, לא מקבלים אותי השני, יהודים בכלל, אין מה לדבר. מה זה החיים האלה?
Men
To go.
look at me and say, not a cutie.
Yeah.
She's a woman. She's a woman.
Okay, what do you think?
כשהסדרה הקומית האחים, היכנסי לסניפי סופר פארם ותוכלי לזכות במייק אובר עם טריני וסוזנה, מתנת
ביוטי סיטי, אירוע היופי של השנה, 22 עד 24 ביוני. בואי לגלות את היופי שבך.
Because it seems to be, we're walking up to the top of that mountain there.
Yeah.
I'm so relieved to be wearing flat shoes.
You are? Okay, darling. I'm not. Because you know what I'm like. I can never show off how truly short my legs are. Even to the hyphens. Is that what we call them?
Yeah.
Hyphens? Do you remember the name of Our Lady? Anat?
Oh, I just remember her being like car crash couture. Oh, look, I think maybe that's her. Yep, here we have the highlight. Hello, how are you?
Anat! Oh, my goodness. Come and sit down.
How pretty are you? Come and sit down here, darling.
I'm very, very excited. She's so beautiful.
Oh, so are you.
So beautiful.
So are you.
It's a dream come true.
Is it? Oh, that's fantastic.
Really, dream come true.
So why do you think you were inspired to contact us?
I had a crisis in my life. And when I was at home...
What was the crisis?
Family crisis.
Family.
Well, you got divorced or...?
Yes.
You know, I've been there. I know that process of, you know, for me, it took me 2 years to make the decision. You know, and then I had made the decision and I had let go. And women are like that.
Yes.
But then you have the kind of, I have to date again. I haven't had sex with another man for 18 years. I want to feel sexy.
Yes.
You know, all these things which we never thought about in a marriage come up.
I got a present for my separated.
That's such a good way of looking at it.
Hearing from the alone. It's
Yeah.
את התהליך הזה עברת, אני רק צריכה את ההשלמה. אני כל כך מאושרת שאני עשיתי את זה, זאת אומרת, היה לי המון חששות. המון.
It seems now that you're ready to reveal yourself physically as a woman.
אני לא יכולה להגיד, אני אישה שאני הולכת עם הבגדים האלו. זה לא נראה. תמיד ימשיכו להגיד לי, את חמודה נורא. But I don't know how to...
We're going to show you. That's our job. You know what, darling? You have an amazing figure.
Thank you.
You're beautiful. It's like all the raw materials are there, and the only thing wrong is what you're wearing. And for us, it's going to be so easy to change you. And
now I'm ready. I know that I'm ready.
You know, I love your attitude so much.
Thank you.
It really is. You are a very confident woman.
Thank
It's
you.
so nice.
אני הולכת לעשות את מה שאני רוצה לעשות. לקפוץ ולהפסיק לפחד. פשוט להפסיק לפחד.
gosh, she's fabulous.
It's still incredibly casual. Like, look at these ladies coming up here.
Yeah.
Trousers again, trousers, 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 trousers. Oh, look at that, there, look at that. Do you see? What, there's that couple there. That's so casual, casual,
Should we
casual.
go and chat to them?
Yeah, let's go and chat to them.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
We were just commenting on how casual everyone is here.
Yeah.
And you epitomise that more than anyone else.
Look at that defensive pose. Yeah? Yeah, what's your problem?
שבנו פה ברחוב, פתאום ניגשו אלינו שתי בחורות. מלחיץ.
Are you a baseball player? I know, what is it, Suze? Basketball. Are you? Did you?
Did you really?
That's it, the history of those. Are you his girlfriend? Yeah. I'm Trini. Tal, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Susanna, nice to meet
Ron,
you.
nice to meet you, Ron.
Hi,
Ron,
Ron.
do Ron.
Ron, how old are you?
I'm 27.
27? Gosh, you look so... I thought you were about 19.
That's because of how he was dressed, darling. Look at these little rojos. Look, I mean, this is like my kind of... Joe would wear that. Susanna has a son who's...
12?
Yeah.
He'd wear that. He'd like that.
That
Did
doesn't
you?
mean jack shit, really. Sorry.
So, Ron, what are you... You're studying... What are you studying?
I finished political science.
Okay. With a view to doing what? In the future?
I hope diplomacy, something like
Diplomacy, dressed like that, there's no way you're going to get anywhere like this. What do you think of the way he dresses, Ron?
אני חושבת שהוא מתלבש נוראי.
So that's your girlfriend saying that?
I know. חברה שלי פה לידי כבר שנה אומרת לי, ועכשיו זה הגיע ממקור חיצוני יותר, זה... כנראה שצריך לעשות משהו בנידון.
Do you see that? She's got very good legs. But I don't think she'll be able to wear a pair of heels.
No.
What about this guy coming towards us now? Oh no, he's running, he's
Darling,
scarfering.
also, he's insane.
Sweet woman, all in white.
And look at that, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Look at you look so beautiful. Do you speak English?
Yes, but I prefer Hebrew. Shalom.
Nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you.
בירת חיפה. היא קיבלה הרבה פרסים בינלאומיים על הפצועים, על החיילים.
שארגון נשים כמוה שתורמות לעיר ללא הפסק. ללא הפסק.
You like the Mother Teresa of Israel?
Many people said so, but I prefer my name, חולדה גורביץ'. אני לובשת תמיד לבן, white.
And your handbag is white.
Yes, everything white, because always I buy quickly, and then I said, oh, it's not nice, it's not mine color, it's not.
There's one thing that you could do. Okay, do you mind?
I'm not young, you know.
Can I do this?
When you get older, lipstick
Yes.
can show your age. So you want to put a gloss like Susanna does, and it makes your lips look fuller and more youthful.
You are the expert, not me.
Well, that's a quick tip for you, and it's an honor to meet you.
Look, there's an underwear shop. Look at that underwear shop.
Look at the
See,
size.
we could sell our magic knickers
I
in
know,
there.
I wonder if they do.
Well, see, look, all those lovely tights.
Hello.
Hello.
Do you shop here a lot?
Wow.
Trini וסוזנה.
Are you daughter or mother?
This is my daughter.
Because she has much bigger boobs than you, but she has a great
A good bra. Yeah, that's a
Really
good
good
bra.
But she know how to dress.
She knows how to dress.
אני אוהבת אתכם.
Come here.
אם יש שתי נשים שרציתי לפגוש ככה ברחוב, זה אותן.
So mother and daughter.
Yes.
Did you have her when you were 12?
No.
No, she is 21, I am 47.
Actually, I must admit, it must be very, a lot of pressure to have a daughter who kind of dresses right for her shape and is fashionable. Does she give you a lot of shit?
She hates the way I'm dressing.
I'm not surprised. It's amazing that you grew up to be feminine when you had the role model.
I know how not to dress.
Okay, yeah.
הם היו בשוק ממני. הבת שלי כזאת יפה ויודעת להתלבש, והאימא ככה.
You've got an amazingly in-proportion figure. You've probably got a small waist under there. Let's just see. Tiny
Amazing figure.
And boobs. You know, it's all, I mean, just.
And
I have all.
It's all there.
היא צריכה עזרה.
Don't worry. We will rescue your
If
mother.
I'm in your hands, I'm not worried.
You're going to be very easy. You just have to stick to it. And what we have to do is get inside your head to make you stick to it.
האמת היא שהגעתי לגיל שבאמת אני מרגישה שאני צריכה את זה. אני צריכה את זה לעצמי, אני צריכה את זה לבנות שלי, אני צריכה את זה לבעלי, אני צריכה את זה. צריכה את זה.
Stunning. Stunning.
So, she's going to be so easy to do.
Stunning. I think we go up here, don't we?
Yeah.
There's a lot of people.
Why not? Yeah.
Seems quite full. Oh, look,
You got a cappuccino. Ooh, nice little. Is that a? What is that? That's so good. Look at that. Can we have one of those, please? Oh. No, who's it for?
These two.
Let's just ask him.
Can we buy this off you?
Can we buy this off you?
Please.
It's the quiche.
Last one.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. God, that's sweet. Oh. Wow, really good.
Oh, it's sweet. I thought it was going to be sweet.
What did you think of his cheesecake, darling? Is it good coffee here? That looks such a good coffee. You want to? Oh, I've got to try some.
But I make better cakes.
Do you make better cake, do you?
Yes, you can...
What's your name? I'm Trini.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Orit.
Orit. Nice to meet you, Orit.
Susanna, nice to meet you. I'm just looking at you. Quickly stand up. You've got a lot of stuff, haven't you? A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Let's see your... Oh.
Nobody see my eyes.
Yeah, we have to see your eyes.
We just took our glasses off.
Beautiful eyes you have.
So you wear clothes that are very loud.
You've got the ring, you've got the jewel. What are you hiding? Why are you hiding behind your clothes?
I've got my way. לא באמת אכפת לי מה חושבים עליי. This is my way. זה love me or leave me alone. מי שלא נראה לו שיעוף לי מהעיניים. Some people say you are like this, you are like this, you are like that. I do this. No, do this. Whew! Nobody really know me. Nobody really know who is Orit.
Do you know who Orit is?
I'm starting.
You're starting to know.
How old are you now?
36. It's very difficult in age 36 to understand that you're something.
Yeah.
Something good.
But do you love yourself?
Do I love myself? אני מאושרת, אני לא נראית לך מאושרת? אני בוכה מאושר. יש לי הכל. הכל.
I mean, it's funny. I imagine most people think you're very confident as a woman, and you're so not. Because maybe if we change the way you look on the outside and create a look through clothes, it might help you to discover who you are as a woman.
טוב, אפשר לסיים?
Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. Excuse me. Do you know where this, I don't know where this is going. Do you know where this is going, the train?
The Carmel Center. The best place in Haifa.
It's the best place in Haifa. And how many stops are there on the way? Oh, look there, I can see 4 stops.
Yeah.
Which is just enough time to ask you about these trousers. I'm Susanna, by the way. What's your name?
Asaf.
Asaf. And you are?
Julia.
Hi, Julia. And you laughing. You're laughing, Julia,
Yes.
because what are these? What are they?
This is שרוואל. אנחנו נוסעים ברכבת, באה מישהי בשם סוזנה, מתחילה לצחוק על הבגדים שלי, שזה לא יפה בכלל, ויוליה פה עוזרת לה.
It's terrible. How many pairs of these trousers does he have in his wardrobe?
At least 5.
What? So this is what